Hey folks, a warm afternoon across the valley again. Still warm in Rio Grande City, 90. 81 at Weslaco, 80 at the beach right now. Everybody else in that neighborhood somewhere, but a pretty good range of 10 degrees across the valley. Brownsville, 80 at this hour as well. Dew points coming up little by little now. 65 in McAllen, 64 Rio. 65 in Brownsville. We'll put an average of about 63 on the muggy meter, and that's up even from more earlier this afternoon. That number likely to continue to rise, so we're back up into the muggy range, not far off from the very humid range. Probably feel that before long. Look at the lows tonight. We're not going to go below 70 across most of the valley. A mild night. Patchy clouds, but certainly no rain tonight or tomorrow or anytime soon. And then tomorrow's high is back to 90 plus, western half of the valley, 80s in the east, the beach about 79. Always cooler there this time of year, so good place to go cool off and enjoy it. The normal high in the middle of the valley is 82. That's a 30-year average, and we go 90, 91, 95 through the weekend into the first part of next week. Not going to tie any records or set any records, but certainly going to be well above average for this time of year. Satellite doesn't show much today. We've seen more sunshine today than yesterday. The clouds not quite as thick this time around. Tonight, though, I think some of those clouds will show up again. They'll be there when you wake up in the morning, and then as the day goes on, they'll break. We'll end up with some afternoon sunshine once again. And we do that whole thing over again on Sunday. Clouds early, afternoon sunshine, and Monday, yet again, early clouds, afternoon sun. That's just because temperatures drop down near the dew point, not just here at the ground, but a little bit above the ground. So clouds tend to form right there, and then they burn off as soon as things start to warm up. But rain-wise, none. We're dry, dry, dry. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Just don't see anything to change that until maybe the middle part of next week. These are the current temperatures. It's in the 80s all the way up to Dalhart, 88 in Odessa, 83 in Del Rio. Houston's cooler, 75 there. San Antonio, 79 at this hour. A lot of high clouds streaming across the state right now, but none of them producing any rainfall, at least not yet. This is your Doppler network. It shows almost nothing in the state, all the action well away from us. Here's a front that's trying to get into Texas, but it's not going to make it. It comes into the state, just falls apart. Never gets anywhere close to us. Another front comes into the state. It stalls, moves back to the north as a warm front. Here comes another one. It dies. Here comes another one. That one looks like it'll trigger some storms up in North Texas and Oklahoma on Tuesday, and then slowly work its way to the south. Perhaps getting here Thursday, so it's going to take 2-3 days to get from North Texas to South Texas. And along the way, it's got a lot of moisture to work with, so strong storms, a likelihood, especially in the middle part of Texas. Once it gets here, an isolated thunderstorm is possible. We're talking late Wednesday into Thursday. Between now and then, we just stay hot, and behind the front, temperatures cool off a little bit. Some drier air builds in for the very end of next week. At the coast here, winds out of the southeast, 15 to 25 knots. Choppy Bay, the UV is very high. Small craft advisory in effect, a moderate rip current risk. There are the tides, the lows at 2:35 a.m., the high at 12:40 during the lunch hour. So tonight, a low 72, partly cloudy and warm. Southeast winds, then tomorrow back up to 90. Some clouds early, then some afternoon sunshine. Winds out of the south-southeast at about 12 to 22. Here we go, the next 7 days, we really warm up. Tuesday, 96, even Wednesday, still 95. Front approaches late Wednesday into Thursday. Late shower possible, a thunderstorm possible Thursday, possible at this point, and then Friday, 82, mostly sunny. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.